Rung srungnai rungni phan bangrinawo surung khor rogo machine lab songsanani kokno saka Mumbai IIT ni kok biti phang Shobha Pandit bo saka AI ni bagai obo belai khe nangmani Agartala ni Techno Engineering College o tini principal meet tei robotics ni samung bechebo workshop ni chengma pandawo manjagi bo tei bo saka chung nayo srungnai ro kurung tei muchungma gobang wngthun workshop no chengi rung kuchuk bedik ni dagi phang Unimesh Deborma buskang ni challenge by batai mungo tabuk ni simino tiar engnani sakao phan rekha pandao kubuni bising kokna rekha Techno Engineering College ni electronic bedek ni bokhorok jyoti deptai TCA ENE Barjao Tongnai Principal Dr. Arpan Loskor April Salbajara o workshop tongano aro TIT Polytechnic no khobui hastine juda juda surung khorni principal rok manjak laikha
already there across the country. We want the students to be skilled in such a way that they themselves can become entrepreneurs or they develop skill set which will help industry absorb them without any difficulty. The Yantra project not only helps them understand the technology, but it also nurtures their inherent skills of time management, doing projects with people, and so many other things. We strongly believe that if faculty members of a college are empowered by learning through the MOOCs which are developed by the Yantra lab, then they can make better environment, ambience in the colleges and help students learn furthermore.